Hey there, ladies and gents. In this video, we're going to go through another case study of the high street retail e-commerce, downfall, and a case study again of a company that is going out of business. Okay, if you're interested, in digital marketing, e-commerce, or just online in general, then stick around, okay, because hopefully this is going to give you a bit more awareness and knowledge again of a company that just couldn't keep up. Okay. Now the company that I'm talking about, as you can see on the screen, is Forever 21. Now this actually appeared in my today's news and views on LinkedIn, and once again, it's a company that has filed for bankruptcy, as I say, Chapter 11, which we'll discuss after. 178 stores in the US and ceasing its operations in 40 countries worldwide. Again, another 33,000 people that have lost their jobs or will lose their job in the near future. Okay. Again, some of the reasons, ultimately were, the dissatisfaction with some of the clothing lines that it was coming out with, over expansion, and again, just slow mall traffic. Okay, not enough people go into malls to buy the products that they were offering. Okay, so yeah, if we actually look at the website, kind of get a feel. If you don't know who Forever 21 are, we'll kind of go over that briefly. Now, as we load up here, okay, as you can see, the majority, of their products. Do you want £5 off? I will continue without. Yeah. So if we look at the majority of their products that they're offering, they're obviously targeting, 18 to 25 year old girls that are into their fashion, into their labels, into looking good. And yeah, a range of different, products from activewear to hoodies, jeans, lingerie, swimwear, skirts, shorts, pretty much everything. I can see, they have a men's collection here. Not too sure how much they do on that, but you kind of get the feel for, the types of customers that they're going after. Have a look here. Instagram models and influencers are being used again for most of the marketing material. But yeah, going back to the actual, the bankruptcy or filing, if we take a look at Chapter 11 bankruptcy, what it actually is or what it actually means. So how does Chapter 11 bankruptcy work? So the debtor usually proposes a plan of reorganization to keep its business alive and pay creditors over time. Okay, so by the looks of it, they are going to continue to operate. They're just going to have to either restructure or look to pay back the money that is owed over a certain time period. Okay, so continuing to do business. If we take a look at some of the comments that are also on this, again, they're closing upwards of 200 stores in the US. Here's another one, known for the low price, stylish offering, often criticized for plagiarizing the designer's latest trendy offerings. Again, aggressive expansion into stores and retail, in 3 years. Changes, again, this comment, if anyone surprised, any 18-year-old girl could have told you. Decrease your inventory and literally get your shop in order. Okay, some constructive feedback there. And again, what's this? Was it their product mix and losing touch with their customers' wants? Was it the lack of investment into e-commerce, omni-channel? We're bound to see many more that have failed to meet their customers' expectations. Once again, they obviously haven't been keeping up to date with what customers and consumers want and on trend, which ultimately is another pivotal factor. Okay, so yeah, a lot of comments and interaction around that. But back to the main point, this is again another case study, another example of a brand that hasn't adopted or invested into digital media, social media marketing. They've also tried to go more direct to retail stores, and it doesn't seem to be working out well for these companies. Okay, so what does this, why does this matter? Why does this benefit you? Once again, if you're looking for skills to develop in the online space, digital marketing, paid media, content creation, this is a really, really good sign for you. Okay, again, it's super important to kind of develop these skills and learn them. And also, look out for online opportunities that you may not have even come across or considered, because there are a lot out there. And if you are watching this, then, you're most likely interested in that. A range of different business models that are online. Okay. If you do want any help with that, myself, I do digital marketing, and I also look for online business opportunities. Okay. So if that's what you're interested, then please be sure to like, subscribe, and also pass on your opinion, okay, and experiences of companies that are either going out of business, have gone out of business, or what do you think is going to happen over the next 2 years in this space? Until next video, have a great rest of the day, and peace out, guys.
Yeah. Hey.